Hi cake lovers, welcome to our multi-recipes and COOKERIES channel. Today, we're going to create a delicious homemade chocolate Nutella cake, beautifully decorated with fresh strawberries. Here are the ingredients you'll need. 2 cups all-purpose flour. 1 cup granulated sugar. 3/4 cup unsweetened cocoa powder. 1 teaspoon baking powder. 1/2 teaspoon baking soda. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 1 cup buttermilk. 1/2 cup vegetable oil. 2 large eggs. 2 teaspoons vanilla extract. Nutella, for filling and frosting. Fresh strawberries, for decoration. Let's start by preheating the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. In a large mixing bowl, combine the flour, sugar, cocoa powder, baking soda, and salt. Mix these dry ingredients together. In another bowl, whisk together the buttermilk, vegetable oil, eggs, and vanilla extract. Now, gradually add the wet mixture into the dry ingredients, and mix until well combined. Next, pour in the hot coffee and stir until the batter is smooth. The hot coffee enhances the chocolate flavor. Prepare 2 cake pans by greasing and flouring them. Divide the batter equally between the pans. Bake the cakes in the preheated oven for 30-35 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. While the cakes are baking, let's get our Nutella ready. Warm up the Nutella to make it easier to spread on the cake. Once the cakes are cooled, spread Nutella generously between the layers and on top of the cake for frosting. Now, the fun part. Let's decorate our cake with fresh strawberries. Slice the strawberries and arrange them creatively on top of the cake. And there you have it. A decadent chocolate Nutella cake adorned with fresh strawberries. Ingredients and preparation methods are in the description box. Thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our multi-recipes and COOKERIES channel for more delicious recipes. See you next time. Thank you very much Nutella cake lovers.